How to switch from new Outlook to old classic one. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Outlook as usual, which is the new Outlook. Then, at the top, you'll find View option, and beside that, click on Help. After you've clicked on Help, you'll find Go to Classic 1, which is Switch back to Classic. Click on it. After you've clicked on it, it will load for some time, and you will find your old classic Outlook turned on. Here you will need to log into your account again. But that's it. This is how to switch from new Outlook to old classic one. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.